Hi, it's Darren for Investor Income. Welcome back to the channel. Looking at the US dollar Japanese yen on the 1 minute chart and the Nadex 1 hour strategy that I use. It's more like a 1 to 2 hour strategy, but that's the way I'm trading this market at the minute, and it's working very well. My custom oscillator at the bottom here is, to be honest, I don't know of anything better, more accurate than this. But I have always traded reversals. I use the moving averages as well at times. But today you can see we've had a massive sell-off in the US dollar Japanese yen, and we still get that movement. Now we have a big movement down here in the early hours at 9 o'clock and at the open. I don't trade in during this time. I trade after 9:30. So it's got down the bottom here at 9:30. It's already started to come back up. So I left that. I was busy during this trade. That would have been a winner. And this one I did trade, and that was a winner. I entered two positions. I entered a bit early up here, and I re-entered down here, and it's an easy winner. I re-entered on this one, and that was a winner as well. And this one was a nice winner. And I couldn't take this one because the Nadex platform was closed. So 3 winning trades, they're all out the money trades. If you look at my video yesterday, it's the same process I use. Use the oscillators, and I pick a strike price above. I go for around $35 a contract, which works out quite nicely. We could be setting up for another trade here, down the bottom here somewhere. So just keep an eye on that. But it's going to take a while for that oscillator to get down. So we'll just have a look at that. I don't normally trade this late in the day because it enters can get quite trendy at that time. Most of you be probably in the States anyway. But if we look here, like 11 o'clock, 10, 11 o'clock UK time, we can get quite a lot of movement down around the midnight session. So I might get a short spike in. I'll see how that goes and see whether I want to trade it or not. I went to the lows here as well, so we might break down further. We could have a position there on there. So I'm under a lot of pressure today, but we don't really care about that. We're just literally trading off the oscillator. We can also look at the moving averages as well. You generally find you get quite a lot of fluctuations when you get a large deviation. This strong trend, this is broken out now. There's big divergence between these moving averages. This is now down the bottom of the range, and it's coming back inside. So there's a high chance it will go back up. So this might work out to be a trade. So we'll just keep monitoring it, and you'll see how the oscillator reacts. As you can see, it's quite small movements because I'm zoomed all the way out, which is why I always trade. I never trade in like this. This is just, watching each candle. You end up watching this oscillator too much, and it's, takes ages to get anywhere. So I just put it right the way out, and it gives so much more clarity to the market. But when you get these moving averages deviating like this apart from each other, there's high chance that those oscillators and those averages will converge, in which case price will have to move up above this line, which is what we're getting now. So this could be quite a decent trade depending on whether it breaks that level. But I'll enter numerous positions, normally between 1 and 5 positions. But this is, like I say, the Nadex 1 hour strategy, or 1-ish hour strategy that I use is, I don't know of any other way, better way and safer way at the moment in this climate to make money. Otherwise I'll be doing it. I've traded for 14 years, and this is what I've kind of developed and come to over my trading time. So let me know what you think. It's been a very, very good market. There's been nice price action to it, and like I say, when we do get sell-offs, it's not been in during the London session. We've had some good movement and good volatility during the London session. I'm just going to move quickly away from this and just show you the reason why I'm not trading the indexes at the minute. Why I'm not trading. I'm just going to change this to the weekly chart. It's the weekly chart now on the Dow Jones Industrial Average, Just quickly moving away from, I've done a lot of stocks videos. This here is what I use to predict my version of predicting the crashes. So you can see all the market crashes, the 2000.com crash, the 2008 crash, even the pullback in 16, and the 75 crash. We can see we are nowhere near a crash at the minute. On this oscillator, we've got weeks and weeks and weeks to go. So I'd like to see at least a pullback to this level before I'd be even interested in entering stocks again with the price action we've seen. And you just look at that chart, it's absolutely ridiculous. You know, it's never been seen. The scale of the move is just off the charts. So we will get a move back up, I predict, and then it will come back down again. We've already come up some way, but we've got weeks to go. This market will roll over, in my opinion. We've got a lower high here, higher high divergence. We've got a lower high here. Therefore, I believe the Dow's going to be coming down again. It might go and retest the highs. Who knows, in this weird free money world we live in. But I'm going to be waiting for this. I don't like the price action. It's just insane. So I'm playing it safe, and we're sticking to Forex. And we are specifically trading the binaries because that is where the safety is at the minute, in my opinion. So let me know what you think. Let's just quickly, sorry, I just had to put that update in because I haven't explained to people why I haven't been trading them. Now we're coming down to the bottoms here, so we might actually get an option. I've just opened the $100 account, so we might have the possibility of entering a trade here. Let's just go and see what the strikes are. If it's open, I don't know if it's open actually. Is it open? It is open. So let's just go to binaries. Yeah, what have we got available? Yeah, we don't really have the expiries we need. We've only got 1 hour expiry left. That's not really going to do it for me. Where are we at? Price. We've only got 1 hour expiry, you see. So that's not going to be enough for me. So that's no good. We're just going to leave that. I could take a position here, and it's fairly likely that we will come in. And there's likely to be a price movement off this level here. So I'm going to put an arrow there for tomorrow. But that is not, I like to take it in excess of an hour to give myself some time. And it's too late for me to really go. But we'll see where this trade would have come in tomorrow or not. And it'll be interesting to see how that will pan out. So we just put a level in there. And we'll see how that one goes. So there's a Nadex platform. I'm assuming most people know the Nadex platform. I might give just an explanation of how I use it. But basically, I'll be looking for that kind of strike there. So that would be on this chart here. It'll be the 36 strike. And as you can see, as I speak, price is coming up. So typical. But so you can see here that was actually lower than that. So we already made $5 effectively, and it's coming up nicely actually. What a shame I didn't get into it. So you can see how we make money. Oh, I think it was about 33 or something when I first looked, and we were already $10. Would be $10 in profit, and that's how it goes. So it comes down to that level. It gets under pressure, makes a move. It's just coincidental that I was recording a video when that happens, but I could have just made some more money. Could have made a quick $12 and just closed it straight away, but I didn't. But that's my system. I like to stick to it. At the end of the day, I like more than 1 hour for the price to move, because we can end up with it going a bit flat at the bottom like this. And I had a look last Friday, and it did exactly that. In the London session, it just kept on going up and up and up and up and up. And yeah, we'll see whether this one pans out. I'm waffling on now, so I hope you enjoy the video. This is another of my videos on the Nadex 1 hour-ish strategy. Hope you enjoyed the video. We had a fantastic weather today. Bit bizarre, but it's been actually dry for a change. So we are looking forward to tomorrow. I may trade tomorrow. I'm not sure. I don't like Friday trading particularly. So we will see where this goes. I'm just looking at this this price movement. You see it's come back down to 34 now. I shouldn't trade outside my strategy, bear that in mind. But it is reversing. So we could get a little pop. If it comes down a bit further, I could just place one trade on. The 36 now trading at 30. So coming down, it's spiked back up again. Should take it at 30. But it is only 1 hour left. Keep that in mind. There's not actually left 58 minutes now. So no, I'm going to stick to my strategy, aren't I? Very tempting when the video's running, you see. It's changing my mindset. I could just take a cheeky little trade on it, couldn't I? No, we're going to leave it. Okay, thanks very much. I'll leave that for today and we'll stick to our strategy. And I'll show you hopefully a better trade tomorrow. I've just done the $100 account. So we will see. You see up there, well, my balance available is 103.50. So I'll be trading this account just to show you how it can be done, hopefully. And we'll go from there. Thank you very much. Take care of yourselves, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.